Staying organized with stock and deliveries has always been a warehouse manager's most significant challenge. Keeping track of all incoming and outgoing items is enough to drive you crazy. But don't go mad yet. Odoo has the solution. With its inventory app, managing all inventory operations has never been easier. From the dashboard, you can access all activities such as delivery orders, receptions, drop shipping, or keep an eye on back orders and late items. Are you flooded with manual transfer requests? Use a barcode scanner. Odoo supports any workflow and scanner hardware, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB. Now your items are ready to ship, and it's time to choose your favorite shipping carriers. Luckily, Odoo integrates with most of them. FedEx, UPS, DHL, or your local post office. Easily validate customer addresses and compute the exact shipping price. Print shipping labels and cancel deliveries with just a click. Access all your products from a single location and monitor inventory sales and purchases in progress. Then, trace every item movement or process batch transfers in just a few clicks. Forecast quantities and automate fulfillment with reordering rules, adjusting quantity thresholds as needed. Inventory levels are maintained without any manual adjustments, helping you save a tremendous amount of time in the process. Oh, you need a specific warehouse setup? No problem. Configuring that with Odoo is super simple, and once everything is ready, Odoo can provide on-demand real-time inventory reports, such as forecasts, traceability, and costing. Since the reports are dynamic, you can easily filter, group, or drill them down to get a clear snapshot of your inventory assets. Like all Odoo apps, inventory is fully integrated, keeping everyone on the same page. From drop shipping to managing a multi-warehouse system, Odoo is here to help with every step of the way. Complex operations become easy to manage with Odoo. Between automated procurement, item tracking, and seamless barcode scanner integration, warehouse operations have never run smoother. Try Odoo Inventory right now and see how it can change your daily life.